Guys, just 5 minutes of your time just to tell you about a brain masterclass happening this Saturday at V&A East in Storehouse. We're doing a collab alongside back-to-back Up Your Archives and Rendezvous projects. We're going to be doing a brain masterclass, but the whole event is going to be taking the Aim and Break as a collective thread, taking you on a journey from start to finish using productions and installations. And there's a lot of music culture, past, present and future of jungle going to be happening. We're talking DJ sets, talks, workshops. There's just so much going on. We've got films, screenings there, workshops, talks. Check this out. Look, we've got the V&A Eastbourne. That's the Storehouse. That's where we're going to be, kicking off from 2 p.m. We're doing an hour-and-a-half workshop down there. Next level compared to what we did previously. Our previous exhibition had over 700 visitors, and this time we really need your support to come down and show some love, and hopefully we can top this one and make this a real interesting session. We've got talks, we've got jungle DIY lineage from the DJ Warlock. We've got Naz Hamdu archiving the everyday. This is a David Bowie thing going on. We've got Heyman Brothers, King of the Beats preview. We've got cassette covers and zines. Oh man, this is just so much. Look, hands-on workshop by Cassia Clark exploring DIY music culture through cassette artwork and zine making. And don't forget, yours truly, OctaMED building jungle from the Amiga. A live demonstration led by Bizzy B, myself, Deluxe and Equinox, exploring how early jungle was produced using Commodore Amiga systems and OctaMED software. A rare insight into the technical process that shaped the sound of East London. And that's with myself, Marlon, Equinox and original DJ Deluxe. So looking forward to that, guys. How about that? Let's see, we've got talks here with Julia Free, Junglist Historian. We've got Jungle Films, some DJ Ron stuff. We've got crate digging going on. These are all short films, by the way. Look, you've got Stevie Hyper D, the legend, the rare screening of this portrait of one of jungle's most influential MCs. So those of you who haven't seen the Stevie Hyper D, now's your chance to see that as well. And I believe this is all free. I know the Brain Masterclass is definitely free, so you know, please drop in, come and see that. And as far as I've been told, there's no tickets or nothing like that needed. So this is going to be quite epic. We've also got ET1 sound system doing sessions down there. Deja Vu FM, big up Deja Vu. And you know, Deja Vu is the home and birth of many of your garage and grime artists. We've got local frequencies, Naya Archives, DJ Set, DJ Flight, Naya and Selector G. There's so much. I'm going to try and pack this into 5 minutes, guys. It's just a quick run through just to let you know about what's going on. So guys, I would love to see you there, and hopefully you get time to come and drop in. And yeah, so big up to all involved, and also hope to see you there, guys. Peace out.